Well, team, as you can see, that is the NSOCS train led by the number 1073 Penn Central Heritage Unit. This symbol is NS950, and we're going to follow it for a good ways. That was Bristow, and I don't know where we're catching it next. I'm going to pay attention to the scanner, because down here in this kind of traffic, it just depends on how it's going, so it's hard to plan what you're going to do next, if that makes any sense at all. Let's have some fun today! Yeah! All right, y'all, I made it a little late. Man, this thing is flying fast, boy! Woo! All right, I'm in the plains now. I'm ahead of it. The boys decided to stop down here on Stewart Street, and I am going a little further. I've got a specific spot I want to hit tonight. Ooh, foamer. There's a foamer. Yeah! Oh boy, there he is.
A lot of diminishing returns.
I know, dude. I missed it at that balls forward, dude. It went right through, sitting at the red light. Okay, y'all. Yeah, hurry, Rob. Hurry, Rob. Y'all, we here in the plains, and let's take a look. And then, I don't know where we're rolling, but let's look anyway. As expected, here's number 1 of the squad. Oh, there he goes. Oh, and here's number 2.
Oh yeah! I crossed the other side of the tracks just to stay out of your shot.
Oh no, you were good. He was in my shot. I like people in it. It makes it look fun. It makes it look like I'm not the only one who enjoys what we're doing, right?
There you go.
So as you can see, the rain has stopped finally. Very glad about that. It's behind me. Hopefully it holds off. I'm currently standing on a farm outside of Marshall, Virginia, and this farm happens to belong to the conductor aboard this train. His wife reached out to me and said, hey, anytime you want to come by and shoot some video, that'd be awesome. Well, she let me know today that her husband was actually the conductor aboard this OCS this morning. She told me that. So I thought I'd come out here and get some good shot of him coming by his land, and I took her up on her offer. But first, we're gonna watch 203 come through eastbound, then our westbound OCS will come out of the hole at Allison. Well, that was a cool chase. Very much enjoyed that. It was nice to be able to chill out at the farm for a little bit. Sometimes, don't get me wrong, I love the excitement of the chase, but it's the thrill of it all, you understand. But I do enjoy sometimes where I can just kind of, while I'm sitting aside and just chill, enjoy my evening, just be carefree about it instead of feeling stressed like I gotta go get it. Know what I'm saying? When it's easy, it's like, yeah, okay. Sometimes I like the challenge, sometimes not. But anyway, that's enough of me talking. That was a cool chase. Thank you guys for joining me on today's video. If you like the content, be sure to subscribe because this level of fun is normal. From here in Delaplane, Virginia, be sure to stay safe, God bless, and happy foaming.